Loni song tabar pyo rawan che ranglu merse donggen gyada ngabju ngabdu shezor chung yoba che gyashung gi wangshe changnyen wo luso showe bawo ta pangwon gyundu pemi to nyewe longo chura lhagi ring gyashung gi pyoso kyun yong gi chongsep tang chongde pargi shirim digzu gyage tang shigenji goba tang pyo gi ki jongje misho bar ge ki kyabde tong goba tang nangbe kade marbu tadje chuje gi lobso sewa kimzang rere tang mire ngore pe gulu cha de tsam shu simbatar nyelam kyana shungi kyana gi tsarim da miri sakhon rangyong kensu yune che gi shingjin nang dari che de pyuri rangyong gi mingta be kyu dang zongi che la gyata ngome lorab gi ju nang sane susu rangyong sugi kyabda che tub yuna pyo rangyong jong sewa kyabgong gi chudre tang kyana gi chepap gi rangja la kogab jinye chi yoba tamjin da gyaje 산 개체산의 섬시기 카데 문제 만오와당 갑 세출라스 근데 가샤기 아니 근데 인제나 논지기 도디스로야지
in 2008. And since 2009, 157 Tibetans are known to have self-immolated for more freedom and for the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet. On this solemn occasion, we remember and offer our prayers in honor of our compatriots who have given their lives for the cause of Tibetan identity, promoting the Chinese language by banning and minimizing the teaching and use of Tibetan language, and Sinicizing Tibetan Buddhism. reinterpreting and conforming the content of Buddhist language. Would like to highlight how these regulations and policies are being used to erode Tibetan language and religion. On 14 December 2023, the European Parliament adopted a resolution strongly condemning the repressed forces as highlighted by UN experts. During the UN Human Rights Council 4th Universal Periodic Review of China's human rights record held on 23 January this year, despite China's efforts to evade scrutiny situation in Tibet, particularly emphasizing their concern over China's assimilation of Tibetan children through colonial-style boarding schools and Sinicization and moving forward, these efforts have helped us catapult the issue of Tibet to a new level on the international stage. The issue of Tibet is achieved. Taking this opportunity, the Kasha would like to express its heartfelt gratitude to the governments and people of India, the United States, and other countries and Tibet's supporters around the world who are committed to truth and freedom. As the Tibetan identity is facing existential crisis, I pray for the long life of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. May the truth of Tibet's cause prevail. May the Tibetans in Tibet and those in exile be reunited. Thank you.